joining me today. Oh my goodness. We have got a brand new box to the channel. Yep, I just said it. We've got a brand new box. Yeah. That's right. When we have a brand new box, we get extra hype. We get extra excited. It's a great day at Save a Mamacita channel today because we've got a brand new box. It is called Women's Collective. So excited for this one, you guys, because not only is it brand new to my channel and we're extra hyped for that, but it is a women-owned business, and inside this box, there are a ton of products from small businesses, and I love supporting small businesses. If you go to womenscollectivebox.com, you're going to see their website and see the different boxes that they've had in the past. You can get kind of an idea of the things that they feature inside their box. But also you're going to see that you have an option of subscribing with an annual subscription or a quarterly subscription. So if you decide to do the quarterly subscription, right now the price point is $54.95 quarterly, which is definitely reasonable. And you're going to get items from women-owned businesses in this box. Super freaking awesome. So after we do this unboxing, you guys, we are going to do a rating of the box. Women's Collective box will get their very first rating from Saving Mamacita. And I'm here for it. I am here for that, and I know you are here for that as well. So let's go ahead and get into Women's Collective box unboxing. Boom. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to be careful here. We've got some items laying on the top. We've got a sticker. It looks like it says, anything is possible when women come together to support each other. Yes. Support women. It's a postcard. It says support women. On the back, it says Women's Collective on it. And then we've got a booklet. We have got a booklet, you guys. Oh, yes. And then here is what it looks like. It is white tissue paper with a cute little sticker on the top. Let's take a look at the booklet because I'm here for that. Women's Collective Fall 2021. Inside, when you open it up, ooh, this is a very nice material too. It says About Us, talks about the founder. It gives you a little introduction about the box. Rochelle White-Harris is the founder. Thank you, Rochelle, for sending me this box. I'm so excited for it and I appreciate it so much. Looking through it, it has the featured artists that are included in the box. It has that cute little saying that I read to you earlier. Then it has all of the contents of the box inside. And it has the retail items, the retail prices. That just gets me super excited. Oh, this is super nice. Super nice. It has photos of each item in there and a little bit about the artist. Super cool. You guys see that? Okay, this is, ooh, look at this. It's an apron. Yes, girl. Yes. It's kind of like a burlap type material, but I look like a fashionista in the kitchen with this apron on. So I'm going to try to go through, you guys, and look through the booklet and kind of give you an idea of the price point for each item, because I like to do that because I like you guys to see the value in what you're getting when you pay for a box like this. Embroidered Apron, Summer Mornings. This is by the founder, Michael Jantz. Embroidered Apron is $25. This embroidered linen look apron is the perfectly minimal addition to any kitchen. So SM stands for Summer Mornings, which is the brand of this apron. And it's got a fun little pocket on the front as well. Next up, look at, you guys, look at how nicely presented that is. Let's take a look at the ceramic wine cup. This is from Jess Reedy, the founder of Ceramic Wine Cup, Pineapple Studios. This retail value is $26. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty, you guys. I love that. Oh, I got a little bit of confetti in there. Shake that up. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. So I like that. Ceramic wine cup. Jess Reedy is the owner of Pineapple Studios in Wilmington, North Carolina, and the maker behind the Pineapple Studios line of ceramic wares. In addition to creating her line of functional ceramics, she teaches daily clay classes to the Wilmington community. Awesome. I'm always so fascinated by people that can create things like this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So that has a value of $26. I can imagine a lot of wine being consumed out of this gorgeous cup. And it is dishwasher and microwave safe, but hand washing is always encouraged for your ceramic wares. But if you need to, you should know that it is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. So, okay, let's dig in the next item. Ooh, what is this? What is this, you guys? This is catch-all tray. And Kyla Harper is the founder. The retail of this is $28. They created this tray that you can use in any room in your home to hold all your belongings you hold near and dear. I can definitely see me using this in my bathroom to put like my jewelry on, like my earrings or rings or whatever, just to keep them in their own little safe area. This is super cute. I like that. And look at the detail on that. Super gorgeous. Next item, you guys. Wall Street stud earrings. Everly Made is the brand. Retail on these is $22. Gary Noland is the founder. She's a self-taught jewelry and artisan and has been making jewelry since 2013 when she launched her jewelry brands on Etsy. It has a cute little story in there about each artist, you guys, which is super awesome. I love that, learning about the artist, learning what inspired them to create their products or to start their business. Thank you for your purchase, Everly Made. Each item is handmade with care and love just for you. If you love your items, please help us grow with a review. Look at these little earrings. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love those, you guys. One more item. And this is Simply Curated Travel Candle. The founder is Sarah Hart. Sarah started Simply Curated in her parents' basement in Queens, New York back in 2012. And it was just what the name implies. It's a curated online store with a minimalist aesthetic. So she moved herself and her business to Grand Rapids, Michigan. Ooh, a Midwestern girl. So this travel candle retails for $13. It says, Simply Curated poured our favorite scents into a chic gold travel tin so you can take a little bit of home with you wherever you go. Each tin holds 3.5 ounces and the wood wick will deliver a crackling glow for up to 15 hours. So yes, it's 100% soy wax grown in the USA, crackling wood wick. I love the crackling candles. Just gives you that cozy, relaxing feel. And it does smell like smoke and embers is what it says. All right, you guys, so that is everything inside the Women's Collective fall box. Let's do a quick review and then we will go ahead and give them their first rating.
A few moments later.
We received the Simply Curated Travel Candle in this gorgeous gold tin. The Apron, the ceramic wine glass. There we go. The tray. And then of course they did have the booklet inside as well. All of those things, you guys, for a total of $54.95. I kind of went over all the values, you guys, for you. I love the fact that they had the values in the booklets. Good job. Let's go ahead, you guys, and give Women's Collective their very first rating. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, you guys, so Women's Collective seasonal box, $54.95. Not badly priced at all when you consider All of these businesses are women-owned, small-owned businesses. Businesses that you could find on Etsy, businesses that you could find online, in small boutiques, small shops, those kinds of places, you guys. So you're going to be paying a little bit more for each item because they're handcrafted, they take time to make, they're one of a kind because they make them individually. I love the variety of the items. You're getting anything from jewelry, you're getting kitchenware, you're getting self-care, you're getting a variety of things inside of a box. Based on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being don't go there, stay far away from that box, and 10 being yes queen, you nailed it, you need to buy this freaking box. Drum roll please. Women's collective box. 8. In 8, you got a freaking 8. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Rochelle, for sending this box to me to review. I freaking loved it. I enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and wow, let me know what you would rate this box down in the comment section down below. I am curious to know what you guys thought. So, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you